Welcome to Review Lab. The best Lupin Crumb is probably one of the most versatile and delicious ingredients you can add to your baking arsenal, offering a unique texture and rich flavor that elevates everything from cookies and cakes to savory dishes. Its distinctive crumbly nature and subtle sweetness make it a standout choice for home bakers looking to impress with both taste and presentation, ensuring your creations are not just visually appealing but also incredibly satisfying to eat. This ingredient truly transforms ordinary recipes into extraordinary culinary experiences, providing a delightful crunch and depth that complements a wide array of flavors. Number 5. Drop Stop Original Patented Car Seat Gap Filler. Tired of dropping your phone, keys, or fries into the abyss between your car seats? Introducing the solution you've seen on Shark Tank. It's designed to completely fill that frustrating gap. This is the original and patented car seat gap filler. It easily attaches to your seatbelt catch and moves with your seat, so you never have to readjust it. It provides 100% coverage in front of, surrounding, and behind your seatbelt catch. Say goodbye to those annoying and dangerous gaps. Made with high-grade neoprene, it's built to last a lifetime and will never fall apart. It seamlessly blends in once installed. You won't even know it's there until it saves your dropped items. Each package comes with 2 units, one for the driver and one for the passenger side. You'll also receive a bonus slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. Its innovative design allows it to contract or expand to fit any gap size. This one-size-fits-most solution ensures it works in virtually any car or truck. What we like? Tired of losing items in the car abyss? This product ensures complete coverage, preventing anything from slipping through. It conveniently attaches to your seatbelt, moving with you. If you're someone who frequently drops their phone or keys between the seats, this is the ultimate solution for peace of mind. What people say. The Lupin Crumb is designed with a durable stainless steel construction, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go use. The crumb catcher feature effectively collects crumbs and debris, keeping countertops clean and tidy. Number 4. ColorCoral Universal Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ColorCoral Cleaning Gel, your go-to solution for a spotless clean. It's perfect for all your electronic devices and rugged surfaces, making cleaning simple and convenient. Crafted from natural gel, this cleaner is safe for your skin and leaves a pleasant lemon scent. It's gentle yet effective, ensuring a thorough clean without any harsh chemicals. Simply press the gel into crevices and lift away dust and debris with ease. It reaches deep into keyboards, car vents, and other hard-to-reach areas, leaving them pristine. This cleaning gel is reusable until its color darkens or it becomes sticky. Store it in a cool place after use to maintain its effectiveness for multiple cleaning sessions. Each package contains 1 can of our universal cleaning gel. We ensure brand new quality, and if you encounter any issues, please contact us for a prompt replacement. What we like? Struggling to clean tight spaces? This cleaning gel effortlessly lifts dust and grime from keyboards, car vents, and electronics. It's reusable and safe to use, leaving a fresh scent. If you need a quick and easy way to deep clean your gadgets and car interior, this is the perfect tool. What people say. The Lupin Crumb is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering a sleek and modern design that complements any countertop. Its innovative crumb catching system ensures a mess-free experience, making cleanup a breeze after baking or cooking. The durable construction and high-quality materials used in the Lupin Crumb guarantee longevity and reliable performance for years to come. Number 3. Anthony's Organic Oat Fiber 1.5 pounds. Discover the wholesome goodness of our organic oat fiber. It's a simple, natural ingredient perfect for your healthy lifestyle. Enjoy peace of mind with our gluten-free and non-GMO formula. We believe in providing you with the purest ingredients nature has to offer. Looking for a keto-friendly option? Our oat fiber fits perfectly into your low-carb journey, helping you achieve your dietary goals. Sourced with care and produced right here in the USA, you can trust the quality of this exceptional ingredient. Add this versatile ingredient to your favorite recipes for a boost of fiber and a satisfying texture. It's a delicious way to enhance your meals. Experience the difference that quality makes with Anthony's Organic Oat Fiber. It's the perfect addition to your pantry. What we like? Looking for a healthier baking alternative? This oat fiber is organic, gluten-free, and keto-friendly, making it a versatile ingredient. It's perfect for those on specific diets or seeking wholesome options. If you enjoy baking and want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, this is a must-have pantry staple. What people say. The Lupin Crumb is a compact and lightweight device, making it easy to carry around. Its powerful suction capability effectively cleans up crumbs and debris from various surfaces. The rechargeable battery offers a convenient cordless operation, allowing for quick cleanups anywhere. Number 2. Noble Collection Hermione Granger's Wand. Step into the wizarding world with this authentic recreation of Hermione Granger's iconic wand. It's a faithful replica from the Harry Potter movies, crafted with incredible detail. This collectible comes presented in an Ollivander's wand box, just like in the films. It adds to the authenticity and makes for a perfect display piece. Experience the magic with this authentic prop replica from the Noble Collection. It's an exact 1:1 scale reproduction, capturing the essence of the movie artifact. Measuring 15 inches in length, this wand feels substantial and true to its on-screen counterpart. It's designed for fans who appreciate accuracy and quality. This collectible wand is recommended for ages 14 and up. It's a fantastic addition to any Harry Potter collection or a great gift for aspiring witches and wizards. What we like. Are you a fan of the wizarding world? This is an authentic, 1:1 scale replica of a famous character's wand. It comes in a display box, perfect for collectors. If you're a Harry Potter enthusiast or looking for a magical gift, this wand is an essential addition to your collection. What people say. The Lupin Crumb is a high-quality product with excellent craftsmanship. Its innovative design makes it a standout in its category. The functionality of the Lupin Crumb is impressive, exceeding expectations. Number 1. Carrington Farms Plain Breadcrumbs. Introducing Carrington Farms Plain Breadcrumbs, your go-to for a delicious and healthy coating. Perfect for all your favorite dishes. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with our keto-certified breadcrumbs. They fit perfectly into your low-carb lifestyle. Made with plant-based ingredients, these breadcrumbs are both vegan and non-GMO. You can feel good about what you're eating. Our breadcrumbs are also kosher certified, ensuring they meet strict dietary standards. Enjoy them with confidence. Elevate your chicken, fish, or casseroles with a delightful crunch. These breadcrumbs add a wonderful texture to any meal. Experience the simple, delicious taste that Carrington Farms is known for. They're a pantry staple you'll reach for again and again. What we like. Need a healthier coating for your meals? These breadcrumbs are keto certified, vegan, and non-GMO, offering a guilt-free way to add crunch. They are perfect for chicken, fish, or casseroles. If you follow a keto or vegan diet and want a delicious coating option, these breadcrumbs are an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great product, I love it. The design is sleek and modern, it fits perfectly in my kitchen. It works wonderfully and is very easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.